Hey guys, quick video to show you how to activate your warehouses after you sign up, and you won't get access until you press this here Start Now button and activate your warehouses. So we can click it, it's going to bring you to the activation page, and you're going to want to read everything there is to read here, the important things to know section. Now we got all the warehouses listed here, and there's just some general information here. You can also view products in the warehouse. The green button at the bottom is how do you activate the warehouse. But again, just some basic information like your per order dropship fee, restocking fees, whether they are recommended for marketplaces, how long they take to ship, and what kind of products they carry. So anyway, just click on the green activate warehouse button when you're ready. If you decide you want to activate that warehouse, you like the products. And we'll just click a couple extra here for example purposes. So these three are now active. And you scroll down and you click return to account dashboard, and that's how you activate all your warehouses. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you want more how-to videos, and come see us at www.dropshiptown.com.